Hello and welcome to Meadow Bakery. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make some Oreo cupcakes. Start off by preheating your oven to 175 degrees Celsius. Add some butter and oil to a bowl and whisk them together. And then add in your sugar and whisk together. Then add in your eggs one at a time and mix well between each egg added. Add in your flour and crushed Oreos and mix this together until it's nice and smooth. Put the mixture in the prepared cupcake tray and then bake them in the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes until well risen and golden brown. And then remove them and put them on a cooling rack to cool completely. When they've cooled completely, I'm just going to decorate them. I'm going to pipe some of this cream cheese frosting, which you can see how to make by clicking on the link above. And then sprinkle on some crushed Oreos. And then I'm going to put a small Oreo on top just to decorate. I'm going to show you the inside. It's nice and fluffy and they taste great. And that's it. Thanks for watching and see you again soon. For more videos like this, visit my website www.meadowbakery.com. Please like and subscribe to my channel.